Hello everyone, welcome to Recipes. Today we are going to make an easy fruit cake. For that, let's begin by caramelizing 2 cups of powdered sugar. Caramelize it on medium flame. After 2 minutes, pour a cup of water slowly. Pour rest of the water when it changes the color. When our sugar is caramelized, add black raisins. Boil it for 2 minutes. Pour half cup water and orange juice each. Mix it and let it cool down. For dry ingredients, I had taken 3 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, 1 tablespoon freshly ground nutmeg and cinnamon powder. Now it's time to add all our dry fruits and nuts. I'm starting with some pitted dates, chopped pistachios, almonds, cashew nuts and walnuts. Mix them all together. Add 1 tablespoon orange zest. Add half teaspoon baking soda and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Pour 3 beaten eggs which are at room temperature. Now pour our caramelized sugar. Combine them together. Pour half cup oil. Now our cake batter is ready. Let's preheat our oven at 100 degrees Celsius using 2 rods with convection for 10 minutes. Line up our baking tin with baking paper. Grease it with some butter or oil. Now our cake batter is all set to go to oven. Bake it at 160 degrees for 60 minutes. Now our simple fruit cake is ready. Hope you will enjoy this delight.